How to get someone's phone number from Instagram. If you're trying to find someone's phone number on Instagram, follow these steps. Open up your Instagram first, and you just need to make sure that you are logged into your. Now, once you're logged, you just want to head over to the profile where you want to find their phone number. So, in some cases, what happens is you don't get the phone number directly, but what you can do is visit their profile and you'll see the email option. You can tap on it and send them a mail or ask for their number or WhatsApp number, whatever you need. But if the user has not set that, or the email option or the contact option, here you won't be able to see it. But in some cases, you'll be able to see the contact option right here. You'll find their WhatsApp, the email, and you could also directly call them. So here, let me show you another example. So here is another profile. So if I tap on this contact option, here they'll be able to find the call option, Instagram audio, email, and WhatsApp number. So that's how you get someone's phone number off of Instagram. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.